Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here at crypto.com today. Bitcoin still hovering around 29,000, just below 30. We had broken above, but we're not there yet. It's going to happen. It's going to happen soon. Within the next few months or so, probably. All right, you can see some movement here on some of the cryptos. All right, that's cool. NFTs have been struggling as of late. And maybe we'll cover that one in another video. But what I want to do now, so I want to go here to the features, and Crypto.com has updated the missions. Okay, status daily check-in is worth a point or a diamond. Now, the quick quest, the first one used to be $20 for 10 points. Now it's 100. And now the volume is 500. So I think that was the same, but they upped the ante a little. I'm not sure if they were giving away too many things or what, but I'm prepared. I can get a mystery box. So leave a comment below. Tell me what you think I want to get. Pause the video. Okay, you're back. Okay, now, let's see. Let's say redeem. Let's see, redeem. And what are we going to get? Silver. Oh, geez. Now, I know CRO has been around recently, so we should get about maybe 6 CRO, 5 CRO. I don't know. Hard to say. 8.4. Okay. Because CRO is about 7 cents a piece now, so hey, it's better to stick in the eye, right? So let's get another one. See what we got. Oh, another silver. Man, it's been not good pulls lately. I want like a gold or platinum or still 8 CRO. Okay, can't beat that. I'm going to withdraw it all to my account. You can see I have a few CRO in there. So I'm going to confirm. It's should be in my wallet. So very cool. I have 14 points. Got a long way to go to the next round of 25. But we go over here and we look at the Matic. Now, Matic I was really into. SEC, man, they really did a number on these guys. I don't know what the heck's going on. I'd really like to know the strategy here. But let's look over the last year. You can see we're up here a high of $1.50 or so, right? But all-time highs, right? We're looking at $2.50. Now, considering it's 70 cents almost, it's a pretty good deal. So I still like the Matic. Okay, you can see the crypto, my earn has expired. So I'm going to go check on that and see what we can do today. All right, for some earn. Now let's go into the earn, and you can see the various cryptos. We get 5.5% for Matic. Really not that good. Okay. 1 month term is 3%, and a 3 month term is 5.5%. Wow, that's pathetic. So okay, I'm gonna try this here with some Matic. I'm not going to unload this anytime soon. So you can see a tier 1 is $3,000. I'm not even close to that. So, all right. So I'm just going to do the minimum here in hopes that I'm going to do this in stages, just like before. And hopefully the rate will go back up to 10-11% like it was. Now, it's pretty doubtful that that's going to happen, but you never know. Okay, here's my completed terms. You can see, man, back at 11%. Wish I could have locked that in for a longer time. I got 11% for a while. And it was really worth it. So let's go back to the earn again. And, well, let's look over here. You can see the rates are just not where they used to be, okay? It's just really not, the rates aren't good. 2%, 4%, 5.5%. Oh, there's 11% for Polkadot. That's pretty good. You need to lock it in for 3 months. But, well, that's really interesting. What's the minimum amount they want in here? Let's take a look. Because I do have some Polkadot. Not in this account. Maybe I do have a little bit in this account. Oh, no, I don't. But looks like the minimum here is 10 dots. $50 worth. Okay, so that's not bad. So let's go take a look at Polkadot and maybe we'll do some of that. Let's take a look. All right, dot. Let's go look at dot. Let's go here. Let's search it quicker. Dot. Okay. Polkadot. I have some in another account. I'm not sure I want to transfer it over at this point. But, oh my. Polkadot is way down. Wow, it's down to $5. Look at what it used to be. $50. That's a 10-bagger, baby. If it comes back, that is. All right. You can see rank is number 13, market cap 6.19 billion. All right. Wow, look at all the dots that are out there. Whew. Okay, billions of dots. I don't know. It seems like all right, you guys know about Polkadot. I'm not going to go through the details. All right. I may have done a review on it before. But all right, let's go take a look at it. I think it could be going higher. I don't know, it's hard to say. Although it doesn't look like a good trend currently. Looks like it's going lower. Not sure I want to put any money into this at this point because of that fact. So let's say I wanted to buy some. Say I wanted to buy 10 dots. How much would it cost? $51.63, which I think is the minimum. So, hey man, if I was going to do that, I would want to activate the bonus and just do $100 worth and make it even. All right, so leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think of the Polkadot. All right, like I said before, here we go. We got the dot. All right, so hey, we only need one more point for another box. Look at that. That's pretty cool. But look at that. I'm $400 away from the plus 50. Oh, well, that's not going to happen. All right, now I'm back here. We're going to go to earn. And we're going back to dot. We're going to see if we can stake this. Where'd it go? Here it is. Okay. So we're going to stake the dot for 3 months. And we're going to get 11% interest. All right. I'm going to just say max because I don't really need it for anything. So I'm just going to say max it out. Get my $11. So you can see now I have Polygon locked in for 3 months, as well as Polkadot locked in for 3 months. So we'll see how this goes. So be sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned to see what happens with the crypto over here at crypto.com. Now, Voyager, Celsius, still not doing well, are bankrupt. We did get some money out of Voyager, luckily. Still waiting on Celsius to get their act together. Tell me what you guys think. I think crypto.com is pretty stable. Okay, they're based in Singapore. A little regulation over there on crypto, a lot more than we have, but regulation's coming. How's that going to affect everything? Well, that's yet to be seen. But I do think and believe that we're going higher once we answer the regulation question. Leave your comments below. React to the video. Tell me if I'm an idiot. And you can see I have a little bit of Bitcoin here. I have more in another account. But you can definitely see if we look at all-time high, not even close, okay? But we have been going up, so this is a good sign. We were down to like 15, 16, but now we're heading higher. Next threshold we have to break is at 30. We were above 30 briefly, but we got to stay above it. We got to crack up on higher. So, all right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.